Hi, so today we'll be looking at one interesting product, okay, and it's wire stripper and cutter, okay, a wire stripper cutter, okay. So let's see, okay. This is our wire stripper cutter, okay, and this has two functions, okay. One it's wire stripper and another it's wire cutter as well, okay. So let's open. Okay, it's like this. You can see here our measurement here. You can see here it's lock switch, okay. Now it's not coming, okay, but when you press and you release, it's coming, okay. And to lock again, just you press it and just lock it, okay, just leave it. And to unlock, just press it little bit and just remove it, and it's unlocked, okay. And what it's giving a warning here is wear safety goggles, okay. So it's suggesting you to wear safety goggles, okay. So I said here it has two functions, okay, wire stripping and wire cutting, okay. So you can see here these are edges here like scissors here down. This is wire cutting function, okay, up to here, this much, okay, my finger, okay, here, and above it's wire stripping function, okay. Up to this much it's wire cutting function, and above it's wire stripping function, okay. I'll show you. Here I have one very old wire, okay. Now we'll be first looking at wire stripping function, okay. You can see here various sizes, okay. So for this wire, okay, let's see at this size first. It's slipping, okay, it's not good here. So next it's again slipping, so just find your place. It's again slipping, okay, it's not slipping here. Let's try if it will strip or not. Okay, didn't strip, means it was also not okay. Now let's try in another place here. Okay, this did, okay, you can see this did. And one important thing what I would like to say is when this plastic is out, not a single wire is cut, okay. You can see here is not a single wire cut, okay. But when before I used to do with scissor, then to take it out some wire used to cut, okay. So this did work very properly, okay. So you have to find the appropriate base of your wire, okay, then only it's going to work, okay. And another it's also wire cutter, okay. So I am cutting in this wire, okay, here just a wire that I'll be putting here like this. Look, let's cut the wire. Now I'm cutting the wire from this plastic, okay. Yeah, so it has done both the work, wire stripping as well as wire cutting function very properly, okay. Yes, I really like this, okay.